Hey everyone, so we decided to take the DJI Mavic Pro down to the ponds to go get a shot down there. As soon as I got down there, this is what happened. So as you can see, it decided it wanted to go down. Nice ball of flames. On this crash, it didn't really do a whole lot. It just popped the propeller off of the rear right arm. So I decided to throw it up after I got another propeller installed on it, tested the tightness of the propeller to ensure that everything was totally fine, and it seemed to be locked in, was great. Um, and then took it down across some of the ponds, and down on this side, the propeller decided to pop off again. So you'll see the outcome of that in just a moment. So it was the exact same propeller that popped off. Well, exact same arm that popped off. It was a different propeller because I lost the first one. This one had the same thing happen to it, and this time it broke the gimbal, bent one of the landing arms, and the propeller's missing.